time to get things underway. Bob, you looking forward to this one?
You bet I am. We're in for quite a game.
Walker with the defensive foul. It looks like some of the players on the bench think they could do a better job.
Well, if things don't start changing out there, some of them are going to get a chance.
Misses. Walker picks it out of the air. He initiates the offense. He drives to the hoop. Pierce hits it.
Pierce, the assist, number 28, Tony Day.
Dishes it to Davis. Gonna shoot. McGrady drains the two.
For two, the assist to Baron Davis.
Delk sets things up. Davis is whistled for the defensive foul.
Baron Davis. That's his first personal team foul, number
Pass
1.
to Walker. The defense hates to get caught up by those isolation plays.
With his scoring ability, he's got to think a double team, but he can also beat you with the pass.
To T-Mac. Fake. Brown picks up the defensive foul.
Kedrick Brown. That's his first personal team foul.
His performance at the foul line has been a distraction for his team.
Especially when games come down to the wire, they don't want opposing defenses to be able to put him on the line. He's 1 for 2 from the line. This isn't the kind of player who needs 3 picks and a pass to score.
Just give him the rock and get out of his way.
To T-Mac. Pump fakes. To Davis. To C-Webb. To T-Mac. Wow, did you see how high he got on that dunk? That's an all-star dunk.
The assist
will bring it up court.
Come on, Ralph.
The fake.
Out of bounds, Boston ball.
Step up the knee, boys. Step up the knee, boys. 1 foot foul.
For 3 points. Not there. Gives it off the heel. Banks it off the window.
The assist to number 1, Tracy McGrady.
He'll bring it up court. For 3, Pierce makes the shot.
The assist to number 28.
He'll bring it up court. As a former Raptor, T-Mac felt like he was option number 2. No must be a man on this team. Walker is charged with the foul. Weber to the line, shooting 1.
Celtics, number 0, Walter McCarty.
Gets it.
He rolls for the pass after the pick and got it.
Tries one from 3-point land. Davis picks it out of the air. Pushes it up to here. In the air, improvisation.
Yeah.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
This is a matchup they can take advantage of.
That's why we're seeing the isolation.
That gives him 9 points this quarter. O'Neal with the fake. Dishes off to O'Neal. Back to Hill. He puts up the shot. He hits it. That's 6 points for the former Duke Blue Devil. He sets things up.
2 minutes left in the first quarter.
The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Weber is called for the defensive foul. This isn't what the defense wanted to do.
This is one player who loves to get a chance at the line.
Second shot, no good. To Davis. There's the fake.
That's a travel.
The two-handed dunk is good. That gives him 7 points this quarter.
The assist to Baron Davis.
He is such a tough assignment on defense.
And when he can lure you into a one-on-one showdown, you know he's going to cross you up.
Hill with a finger roll. The Magic are ahead by 9.
Brady.
On your right.
This player definitely has the skills to create for himself.
And that's why he wants the ISO.
Passes off to O'Neal. To Hill. McGrady pump fakes. Pierce with the steal. Delk sets it up. With a nice shot fake. Comes up empty. To Hill. With the crossover. To McGrady. Davis, good fake. Gives it off to Hill. Petit with the interception. To Delk. Pierce, pump fake.
Out of bounds. Boston ball. Into the game for the Celtics. Number 42, Kevin Willis. And number 7, Isaiah.
He
Wright.
puts up the J. Orlando is showing us their running game right now. Oh, he got some lift that time. The Magic lead by 9.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
Time's ticking down, and they'll hold on for the last shot.
Goes up. Delk hits the shot.
Tony Delk.
With the J. Hill can't find the hole. After 1, the Magic lead 24 to. The first quarter didn't quite go the way they'd hoped.
But they saw a lot of good things from some of their players. If you want my advice, go back to those guys and see what else they can get.
Off the mark. Pierce grabs it. You got to watch that player when he isolates his man. To Delk. Puts up the jumper. He buries the jumper. That's 7 points for the former first-round pick. With a nice shot fake. Dishes off to Davis. To Hill. Pass to O'Neal. Across the rim.
High power.
That's 9 points for the former LSU Tiger.
The assist to number 33, Grant Hill.
He sets it up on the right side. Looks for a three-pointer. Delk misfires. O'Neal picks it out of the air. Pierce picks off the pass. He sets up the offense. He's looking to make the entry pass.
And if they can get it in there, they have a good chance of scoring.
He's just racing down the court. Baron Davis proves game after game why he's an all-star. He's a leader of this team.
C. Webb's not only a scorer, he can handle the ball as well as any big man and is an excellent passer.
Out of bounds.
Boston time.
Into the game for the Boston Celtics. Number 10.
JR takes the jumper.
Number 40.
The action coming back quickly the other way. There's the alley-oop.
Straight from the highlight reel.
The assist.
That's a 6-0 run.
It's time to get in touch with their up-tempo game.
Looks at the three. No. Hill collects the rebound. Weber, good fake. Three. Davis hits it.
The assist.
Magic are making shot after shot now.
That's a 9-0 run. Looney wants to try and work it into the post here. I don't think these two guys see eye to eye over that last call.
Got that right now.
With the nice shot fake. That was a sick two-handed jam. Orlando has been frustrating them with some stingy defense.
Their coach has been saying that they can't expect to have big nights on offense unless they're taking care of business on the other end of the floor.
The Magic may need to reshuffle their lineup.
Some fresh energy off the bench will certainly help them right now.
Weber, good fake. Look out!
Special delivery coming through.
Orlando increases their lead to 16. With the jumper. That didn't help him.
The player is so committed to contesting the shot, he wasn't even able to avoid the goaltending call.
With the fake. Now that's what I call a power jam. He has 6 points.
The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal. 2 minutes left in the second quarter.
McGrady with the defensive foul.
Defensive foul to number
Strickland
1.
goes to the line
Tracy
shooting one.
That's the
It's
first
good.
foul in the final 2 minutes.
He's been robbed. Ryder makes the finger roll. The Celtics reduce the lead to 11. Pushing the ball up court now. To Strickland. To Lou. Can't find the hole.
That shut him down.
Tears it down.
Domination is in full effect.
The assist to Chris.
He sets up the offense. To Strickland. He fakes the shot. Back to Ryder. One-on-one, this player's hard to stop. With the shot, nails the J. Dishes off to O'Neal. To C-Webb. Davis, good fake.
Out of bounds. Magic ball. Into the game for the Celtics. Number 8, Antoine Walker. And number 42, Kendrick Brown.
He can't believe that call.
But he's keeping his cool down, and that's the sign of a mature player.
Lou sets up the play. With the fake. Three-pointer. Strickland with consecutive misses. He's got to hit those outside shots to get this team a win tonight. That one was a little off target, Bob.
Maybe one to give a souvenir to the fans.
Strickland with the Rainmaker. Orlando in transition. Don't stand in his way, you're gonna get hurt. That's 8 points for the 6-year veteran. Strickland tries the three.
Magic can't get their inside game going, Don.
Lou sets it up on the right side. To Strickland with a nice shot fake. He can't find the hole. Dishes it to McGrady with a nice little spin move. Hill handles the pass. Gives it off to Weber. At the end of the second quarter, Orlando is ahead 43-30. If this team does one thing differently in the second half, they should contest more shots.
Absolutely, Don. And I'm talking about really getting up on the guys, challenging the shooter, and just not waving a hand in the
Defensive
Davis is whistled for the defensive foul. Each time he steps to the line, it's a guaranteed point.
That makes him the kind of guy you want on the floor at crunch time.
Boston trails by 12. Power! That's 11 points for the former first-round pick. Takes the shot. Weber with the board. Gives it off to Hill. O'Neal fakes the shot. Dishes off to Davis. To McGrady. My goodness!
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
Delp sets up the offense. Pierce with the J. Hill grabs it. Davis with the spin move. You betcha.
He's a one-man scoring machine.
That's a 6-zip run. He couldn't connect on the pass.
There was no way the other player could have known that ball was heading his way.
Davis picks up the defensive foul.
Number 1, Baron Davis. That's his
Walker
third
should
personal.
probably get that percentage up
Number
to
2.
little practice. Foul shot is good. Makes the foul shot. Sends it to O'Neal. With the nice shot fake. Weber, no good. The team with the steal. With the nice shot fake. You betcha.
His team is on their way to a win if he keep up that kind of shooting.
Passes off to Davis. McGrady with the fake. Walker gets it. Dishes off to Dell. If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Bats it away.
Out of bounds. Celtics ball.
Tries the three. Yes.
They've got to play a lot closer than that if they want to win.
The Celtics on an 8-0 run. With the nice shot fake. To C-Webb. Walker with the theft. Delp sets it up on the left side. Sends it to Pierce. To Delp. He pulls the trigger. O'Neal grabs it. He sets it up on the left side. He's got skills.
Come on, skills. Man.
The assist to number 1.
The Magic with the ball.
They swing back to the attack.
The crowd goes nuts.
Oh, they love it.
He'll bring it up court. To Delk. He's been robbed. Orlando is running the floor tonight. Got it! Hill is showing how it's done. Orlando on a 6-zip run. He sets it up on the right side.
Minutes left in the third quarter.
Walker gets the pass. It's stolen. They're off and running. You got to keep your eyes open out there.
Even if it's a bad pass, you just need to be aware of it and make a play for the ball.
He saw that the screener rolled open and dropped him a dime. Boston is down by 14. Fakes it.
He's here to make noise. There are no free rides tonight.
That scrambling defense is forcing some mental mistakes. He pump fakes. Pierce is called for the defensive foul.
To number 34, Paul Pierce. First foul.
He makes the foul shot.
Into the game for the Boston Celtics, number 7, Isaiah Ryder.
It's good. He's been robbed. Opening up the floor with a fast break. Big both hands. That's a 6-zip run. The Magic are up by 20. Pierce will bring it up court. Fakes the shot. Batted away by the decent. Puts up the J. That was a tough draw on defense.
If you can't beat his speed, you got to back off a little bit.
The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. He threw that one down hard. He leads the team with 17 points. He'll bring it up court. To O'Neal. To Davis. To T-Mac. He puts up the jumper. This game won't be won that way.
They need to make sure to get their guys the ball so they can make the shot.
Paul Pierce.
Weber pump fakes. He puts up the shot. Orlando increases their lead to 16. Pierce takes the shot. He misses it. O'Neal grabs it. That's 9 boards for the 11-year pro. Weber on the right side. Hill takes the jumper. At the end of the third quarter, the Magic lead the Celtics. Their coach has to be pretty happy with their play so far anyway.
You always want to go into the fourth quarter ahead on the scoreboard, but the big question is, can you hang on to that lead?
To Hill. Davis handles the dig. To Hill. Once he gets in the air, it's all over.
The assist to Grant Hill.
You got to watch that player when he isolates his man. Pierce unloads. That's 21 points for the former first-round pick. Boston is trailing by 16. Weber fakes the shot. There he is.
Fires it down with 2 hands.
The assist to Chris Weber.
Delk initiates the offense. McGrady grabs it. To Hill. Powers it down with a two-handed jam. Hill now has 20 points. The Magic are up by 20. Davis comes up with it. Hill gets the ball. Puts up the jumper.
The Magic are playing some great ball right now.
That's a 6-0 run.
Grant Hill.
Father! What are you doing, Brad? I'm getting hammered in there. You gonna start calling it?
We're seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entry pass so he can go to work now.
That gives him 6 points. Boston is down by 20. Rips the ball. That's their game, running the fast break.
A little light, more deep.
Finger roll.
That is some dead-eye shooting.
Pressure D, let's go.
O'Neal, good fake. Sends it to McGrady. There's the 180.
He helicopters in for 2 more.
Big basket.
Into the game for Boston, number 10, Tyronn Lue.
Lue feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. He ran into trouble that time.
Unforced errors are going to be the death of this
Number
team.
42, Kevin Willis.
Long pass to O'Neal. Dishes it to Weber. He's been robbed. They'll add another steal to their total for the game. Brown with an easy
Hedrick
2.
Brown. The assist to Isaiah Ryder.
Webb puts up the shot. He takes the rebound. The Celtics definitely want to get that one back.
These guys have pride, and that kind of slip will not be tolerated.
To Walker. Dishes off to Lue. He gets his man in the air. Blocked by Davis.
Out of bounds, Boston ball. Into the game.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
Number 4, Tony Batiste. And number 28, Tony
One-on-one, this player is hard to stop. Shot blocked by Davis.
Out of bounds, Celtics ball.
The Celtics are whistled for the shot clock violation.
Into the game for the Boston Celtics, number 34, Paul Pierce.
He sets it up on the right side. To Webb. Up fake, swats it away. McGrady gets the rock. To Hill.
2 minutes
to Davis.
left in the
Tries the 3. Brown takes the board. He'll bring it up court. Delk sets the offense. Back to Petit. To Pierce. With the Rainmaker. Hill grabs it. They have the numbers. 2-on-1. Gonna shoot. Got it.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
To Delk. To Delk. Puts it up. Got it.
Tony
Another
Batiste.
made basket from in
assist
deep, and their coach can't believe they keep giving them up.
Hill, good fake. 3. No good. Delk grabs the rebound. Davis with the foul. The defensive pressure's tight.
The man knows that he can make good things happen if he just keeps his head.
This player's always had a great touch from the line.
I don't think he was born with it, Don. But that's the kind of thing that comes from hard work.
Gets the second. He'll bring it up court. Weber spins. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seat. I think the officials will put away their whistles.
Of course they have. Unless they see something serious, they're just going to let these guys run these last couple plays.
He fakes to the Diesel. With the jumper. Walker collects the rebound. To Pierce. He fires. Nails the tray. The Celtics reduce the lead to 17. Hill with a quick spin move. With the nice shot fake. Davis handles the pass. To O'Neal. Hill handles the feed. It's good.
Count it.
The Celtics look like they were daring him to shoot.
If so, he made them eat it.
Puts up the shot. No good. Petit with the offensive rebound.
Tony
with the
Batiste.
layup.
Stop them here.
Sends it to Weber.
Watch the clock.
Oh, power! Unloads a 3. Tonight's final score, Orlando 83, Boston 60.